Hello everyone. So if you want to download and use offline maps on your Huawei Watch GT4, so first of all make sure that your watch is connected to your Huawei Health application. Alright, now open up your Play Store on your phone, press search and make sure to install Petal Maps application. So install it, already got it installed. Now open up your Huawei Health application, make sure that you're paired with your device, press App Gallery, and here you are to install your Petal Maps as well. Here they are, already got them installed, however if they're not installed, simply tap here and they will be installed. Now open up your Petal Maps application on your phone, here it is. At the bottom tab, find Me, press Offline Maps, confirm your choice to prioritized offline maps, press Offline Map Resources, and here you'll see all of your downloaded regions, or press Undownloaded Regions, and here you can install more of the regions which you want to get. So for example, let's download let's download something else, for example Albania. Right. All right. I already got my Argentina downloading, but nevertheless, and let's try using the maps. So how will it look on the watch? So open up your directions. Now choose any kind of location. For example, let's choose any restaurant. All right. For example, this one. Press Add and press Start. Now, as you see on your watch, you're getting your navigation, and that's actually how we use it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.